So in the previous video, we learnt about temperature danger zone and why it is important to keep food out of the temperature danger zone. Today let us understand the time and temperature reviews and our role in preventing it. Who can tell me what is the temperature danger zone?
I can. Temperature range between 5 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius.
Yes, that is correct. The temperature danger zone is the ambient temperature that every living organism enjoy. We also enjoy this range of temperature, don't we? A food-borne illness can happen if food has remained in the temperature danger zone for more than 4 hours.
So cooling these food rapidly below 5 degrees should help in controlling this?
Also, I feel that when we cook, we should cook above the 60 degrees Celsius to make sure temperature is high enough to kill the bacteria.
Both of you made some really valid points. Time is critical, so once we make any food in bulk, it is essential to cool it immediately. We must bring it below 5 degrees within 4 hours. And while reheating, remember to get the food over the temperature zone. What you need to remember in reheating is that you need to get food to 74 degrees Celsius. This is recommended to make food safe. It is very important to understand the basics of keeping food safe. So take your time to revisit the food hygiene playlist often. And do subscribe and come back to the channel to keep learning. Remember to click the bell icon so that you receive notification when we upload a new video. See you in the next video.